Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to do a full coolant service on this Mercedes from 2002 W203 generation. This video will include removing the coolant reservoir, cleaning it up, then removing the thermostat and replacing it. Also, of course, I will add new coolant to the system, and I'm gonna show you in a second how with all the details. So after I place the front of the car on jack stands, I will go under and remove the plastic cover. The intervals of replacing the coolant on Mercedes cars can vary from 5 years for up to 15 years or 150,000 miles, which is a lot. And since this car have around 120,000 miles on board, I will do a coolant and thermostat replacement since I'm not sure if this have been done before. If you have the possibility and want to keep the engine on the top performance and durability, then find the original coolant from the factory, which is displayed on the screen. The benefits of replacing the coolant on time or earlier is preventing the head gasket leaks or corrosion in radiator or other metals which are in direct contact with the coolant. Now, under here, on the driver's side, right under the radiator, you will find a drain nut. On my situation is red, it's very easy to locate. And if you have a look on the side over here, there is the drain pipe. So basically you undo this little bolt and all the coolant will come out through that one. So with a large flathead screwdriver, I will go ahead and undo this drain plug and the fluid begins to spill. Meanwhile, on the engine bay, I can open this cap and remove these covers in order to get access to the thermostat. The thermostat is located over here. So with a 7mm socket I will lose the hose clamp, then with a 10mm long socket I will undo those 3 bolts which holds the thermostat in place. Now I will attempt to take out the hose from the thermostat, which is quite stuck, like glued on it, but after some wiggling and twists it finally comes out. Installing the new one is the reverse process. First make sure that the parts are similar, then slide the hose on the thermostat, and from this point, since all the coolant is out of the system, you can replace all the rubber hoses, especially if they look bad. Finally, I can tighten back the new thermostat together with the rubber ring, and later on I will double check for coolant leaks. I'm gonna remove this reservoir. I'm gonna start with this little hose which actually brings the hot coolant into the reservoir. Then there is a 10mm nut over here on the corner, just undo it. On the side you will see the auxiliary water pump which sends the hot coolant to the air condition inside the cabin, so just pull it off from this holder. Next to it, in the right corner on the bottom, there is a coolant level sensor which you can twist and pull it out. Next, probably the most difficult part is to open this clamp. I mean, to open it is easy, but when you put it back it's gonna be not easy. There we go. Somebody's doing a burnout around here with an M3. Once all the coolant is out, I can tighten back the nut. After I gave the reservoir a good clean inside, there is a little flap over here on the side which goes on this metal holder over here, like so. It's quite easy, just press it in there. Alright, so the trick is to hold this clamp open, then take the reservoir and press it in the hose, then release the clamp on the hose, and that's it. It's quite simple, but it's very difficult due to very small space here to work on. If you want to make it easier, you can replace the original hose clamp with this one, which will allow you to tighten it easier with a screwdriver. So that being said, I'm gonna tighten this nut, place back the auxiliary water pump, then connect back this hose. As you can see, the reservoir sits there solid. Now, after I wash the reservoir, replace the thermostat and tighten in the bolt under the car, I can go ahead and add the new coolant. This is a 50-50 already mixed. On this car, the repair manual says that you have to fill it up until here and always keep it on a full level. I'm gonna go ahead and start the car. And now the fluid level should go low. Alright guys, that was it. As always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and stay tuned for more useful videos. And until next time, drive safe and I will see you soon.